Good day, sir, madam. I'm Annabella Nusacabida. 25 years old, married. I have one child, high school graduate. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Annabelle. How are you?
Sir, ma'am, I'm fine.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, ma'am, to be honest, loyal, hardworking, trustworthy.
So can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
We'll give them food, vitamins, give them bath every day. I will love them as on my child.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, ma'am, I will say sorry. I will not do it again.
Okay, so Miss Annabelle, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, ma'am, please do hire to me. I need this job for my family. I promise to you, I will finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Annabelle, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, madam, sir.